Welcome back to my video. In the previous video, you saw how to do email harvesting and gather the email information. So now, in this video, we are going to learn how to detect SSH version with the SSH version scanner. SSH is a widely used application that provides secure remote login. It uses strong cryptographic to provide authentication and confidentiality. Now I am going to use the SSH version auxiliary model that can be found in the Metasploit. By using this model, we can determine the target occupied with an vulnerable SSH version. So this may help hackers to get into the web application. So now I am going to type cd Metasploit framework, then typing ls command, and next loading up the MSF console by typing /MSF console, and next making use of SSH model by typing use auxiliary /scanner /SSH version. Now checking out the model information by typing info. Here you can see the information like rhost, rport, threads. Rhost can be used for setting up the target range, rport which is default, threads, number of concurrent threads to be occurred. Here I am going to check my IP address for setting up the rhost range, and next typing set rhost 192.168.1.1/24. Next setting up the number of threads by typing set threads 100. At last execute by typing exploit. Okay, now here you can see the scanned host, but we did not got any results of the SSH version. And if you want the correct information, then we need to give the correct IP address. So let me check once again. I am giving the IP address as 192.168.1. Then running the exploit command. Here it shows us only one scanned host. And once again I am going to change the IP address, that is 192.168.1.102, again using the exploit command. So now here we got some of the information like 192.168.1.102 is the IP address, and its SSH server version is SSH 2.0, and its open SSH version is 4.7 PI, which is based on Debian Ubuntu. So that's how we are going to detect the SSH version of the target. That's on this video. Thank you.